like using Discord and you want to level up your experience with the application, you might want to try purchasing Nitro on Discord. And for today, I'll be teaching you how you can do it even without a credit card of your own. So first step, open Discord on your laptop or desktop, and on the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the tab or the button Nitro. So just press this, and here you'll see two different versions of Nitro. One is more expensive but offers more perks or advantages. Once you choose one, you'll be asked to enter details of your credit card, and you might not have a card of your own, so here are some steps that you can try. First, open a web browser on your laptop or desktop. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or whatever you have installed on your gadget. Once you have your web browser opened, on the search tab, just search for privacy.com. Privacy is a website that offers online credit card, allowing you to download Nitro on your Discord. This also allows you to shop privately and securely with a virtual card that protects your real card information. So what you just have to do is sign in or log in to your account if you already have an account in Privacy. Now, if Privacy does not work for you, you can try another website that allows you to pay your subscriptions even through a virtual card. Just open a new tab on your browser and then search for capitalone.com. Just like Privacy, this offers a virtual card that will allow you to pay for your online purchases, including that of the Discord Nitro. Also, just like earlier, you'll be asked to sign in into an account or log in if you already have an account. You'll see here that you'll have to enter your last name, your social security number, and your birthday. Now, if Privacy One still does not satisfy your needs, you can try this last website. Once again, open a new tab on your browser and then simply search for citi.com. This is spelled CITI. Once you successfully open Citi's website, just wait for the page to completely load, and once it's loaded, you'll see a prompt on the top right corner of your screen, and here just press register. Now, once you press the register button, you'll be redirected to a new page where you'll be asked to enter your details. Here you'll see me pressing the register button, and then it led me to this site where online access will be given to me once I entered all the necessary details. And once you're done setting up your accounts, either here on Citi or on Privacy or on Capital One, you can go back to your Discord account and then purchase the Nitro. Here, just enter the details of the credit card you got earlier through the websites, and just like that, you'll have Nitro on your Discord. And that's the end of this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.